Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to change tips for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. It's pretty easy, so don't worry. The second one. Now select new ear tip size. I'm going with this one. And now we need to attach them. Here we go, and the second one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!